How to compare two columns using conditional formatting. Here the task is, we have two columns here. We need to highlight by checking each row if the value in column 1 is equal to value in column 2. So if there is a difference, we are coloring in red color. If there is no difference, we'll be coloring in green color. So let's click on conditional formatting, click on new rule, then click on use a formula to determine which cells to format. Here we'll just write a simple formula to check whether each one cell is equal to the other cell. We'll select the first cell here, that is C7. Make sure to just lock your C column, and that will be equal to your D7. Again, I'm only locking the D column, and I'll format here. Click on format. I'll click on green color because if there is no difference, we'll be highlighting it in a green color. If you can see here, right, it has been 3 and 3 is 8, 8, 2, 2. These are the same cells. Again, we'll do the next formula. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Now again, click equal. In this case, we'll be giving a not equal to sign. Similarly, we'll be only locking the C column. We'll be giving the not equal symbol, and we'll select the D7 column. Again, we'll be only locking the D column format, and here we'll be selecting a lightish red color. Click OK. Now click OK. If you can see, the cells that are equal is colored in green color, and the cells that are not equal are colored in red color. Thank you.